Hi everyone, this is Sarah Faith Brummett, co-founder of FaithToHealingNYC.com, and today in this video I want to give you the juiciest nugget that I got from Eric's last Soul Guide workshop that he led, which is all about understanding how we are on this hero's journey. So we are going from this phase of caterpillar to the cocooning phase, right, the chrysalis, to emerging as transformed butterflies. Right now, we are in the cocooning phase. We are in this womb-like experience where we're really being asked to develop our character, our attributes. And so he took us through this process of really envisioning, and you can follow along, envisioning who is the person that we are becoming. How do we want to emerge transformed out of this experience? So the purpose for this exercise is that it takes cultivating certain qualities in us so that we develop a container in order to receive our most joyful life. So when you envision this person that you are becoming, I want you to ask, what is different between where I am right now and where they are at? What qualities are different? So maybe you'll see this person is more relaxed, more calm. Maybe you'll see that they're more responsible, or they are leaders. They have more confidence, right? So then we want to ask, once we find what that quality is, we want to ask, how do I cultivate this? How do I actually practice this in a meaningful practice daily that I can implement? So if I'm seeing that I need to be more responsible, a really simple way of doing that is meaning yes when I say yes and meaning no when I say no. I'm being responsible for my choices. I'm being responsible for my interactions with others and where I spend my time, my energy, right? What am I investing in? If I need to develop more calm and relaxation, maybe I need to have just a 10-minute meditation practice where I'm actually cultivating that in myself that can help me carry that through my day. If I need to be more forgiving, then maybe I'll practice a simple forgiveness mantra. So if you can actually use this time to cultivate your best gifts, you are creating a container for what you want to create in your life. Next, and this is what we're doing next Sunday, is we're going to create a vision together. We're going to go really deep into creating what is my most joyful life look like so that I can start activating my problem-solving mind to start looking for opportunities to create that, and I can invite my spirit, my soul to start manifesting this vision into my life. So if you're interested in joining us, you can sign up on the link below. Your first workshop is absolutely free. We also, of course, have our Friday group gathering that is free that you can join in just to spiritually recenter and boost your mindset. We are holding you guys in so much light and love. I'm sending you big virtual hugs, and I love you a lot. Practice this important activation weekly, and you'll be amazed at what you can create out of it. Love you guys.